Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the space and time token. Ticker symbol is SXT. We're going to talk about this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is spaceandtime.io. Over there you can find tons of social links. They have a Discord. They have a Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual so you guys can easily find this project. You can see it's a huge project, has 479,600 Twitter followers. Their webpage is linked right there. You can find their Twitter at spaceandtimedb. It says Microsoft-backed blockchain for ZK-proven data, powering the future of DeFi and on-chain artificial intelligence. 2,382 tweets, gold verified, check mark. And it was just announced that this token is now, or actually the pre-tokens are open for pre-market trading on Mexc Global. It also went live for pre-market trading on Kucoin as well. So that's another place you can get the pre-tokens. So if you're looking to get the pre-tokens and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get the pre-tokens is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the pre-market trading zone, search SXT, the ticker symbol, and then simply buy the pre-tokens. Now, the full token will eventually be listed on Mexc Global, and you'll be able to see when the TGE is by following their Twitter right here. So the pre-tokens are available now on Mexc, and then when the token goes fully live, you'll be able to get that also off of Mexc Global. So they most likely, I'm not sure if they announced the exact TGE date yet. Just scrolling through their most recent tweets. I can't see anything about that yet, but yeah, just follow the Twitter and you'll be able to see. So what is space and time? SQL ZK coprocessor connecting indexed blockchain data to your smart contract. They have a sub-second ZK coprocessor plus blockchain indexer. Space and time, SXT scales zero knowledge proofs on a decentralized data warehouse to deliver trustless data processing to smart contracts. You can use SXT to join comprehensive blockchain data we've indexed from major chains with your app's data or other specific off-chain data sets. Proof of SQL is SXT's sub-second ZK coprocessor, which allows your smart contract to ask complicated questions about activity on its own chain or other chains and get back a ZK-proven answer next block. SXT enables a new generation of smart contracts that can transact in real time based on both on-chain data like transactions, blocks, smart contracts, events, storage slot changes, etc., and data from your app, ultimately delivering a more robust on-chain economy and more sophisticated on-chain applications. So developers can use space and time to connect to comprehensive blockchain data we've indexed from major chains in real time, as well as off-chain data you've ingested from your app or source DB. So SXT indexes Ethereum, Bitcoin, ZK Sync, Polygon, Sui, Avalanche, and we're continually adding support for more and more chains. You can leverage a familiar SQL interface and ask questions around activity on chain and activity in your app. Build dashboards and analytics on the Space and Time Studio, and use your AI chatbot to generate queries with natural language prompts. Send verifiable query results directly to your smart contract with proof of SQL. SXT's sub-second ZK coprocessor. SXT enables your smart contracts to process data at the scale required to power your application in the time it needs to transact. You can publish datasets and queries directly to your APIs, build sophisticated on-chain apps on top of SXT, and power the next generation of expressive data-driven smart contracts with proof of SQL. Now, if you want to find all the info on this whole project, even a getting started guide and whatnot, there is a whole section about documents, docs.spaceandtime.io, and that's going to have all the info you need there. So there's also the Space and Time certification program, and you can start getting started with that. Navigate the Space and Time Studio, create a subscription. There is specific info about creating a dynamic NFT if you want to do that as well. They have here the run queries section, blockchain indexing, connect and authenticate, and they have here the quick start for new users. So the user ID is your gateway into the Space and Time network. You use it to authenticate, to execute queries, hold funds, and join the subscription to work together with others. They are globally unique. They are case sensitive, allow alphanumeric and underscore. They are free. Wallet addresses are considered keys and not a user ID. And so you can check out all that as well. You can manage your account, and they have the building apps section if you want to build an app. There's the architecture section and terms of service. So check it all out, and then the webpage has even more links over there. I'm also going to be posting a couple other videos of big tokens being listed on Mexc Global. One of them is the Pope token. That's a big one today, Pope Coin. And another one here is the Orba token from, it's called Orbital Assets. And so that token is being listed tomorrow on Mexc. So make sure you check out that video as well. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.